Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a guide how to get Suno AI for cheap because a $10 per month fee feels like too much for a student, and you can get like $5 a month, even a free trial if you know where to look. For that, you have to go to suno.com and then you have to sign up or log in with your account. You can choose Microsoft or you can continue with Google. Now here what you need to do is use your student email to sign in. If you're eligible, then you will see like a student pro plan with a free trial and a $5 per month. After it doesn't appear, you don't need to worry because there is another phase. Okay, now if it doesn't show, in that case, all you have to do is mail Suno. So go to Gmail account and then say student at suno.com and include a student email address and your university name and ask to get access to the student pro plan. Many users have reported that student replies within a few days, and you can unlock the offers manually. So you can also keep an eye on Suno official Discord server. Suno Discord server. Because sometimes they drop exclusive promo codes, giveaway, or referral bonuses, especially for students and new user. And being a student has perks, but Suno AI is one of them. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.